Here's how you can use your iPhone to ping your Apple Watch. In older versions of iOS, the process is a little different, so if you're on iOS 17 or earlier, check out my other video linked in the description. On iOS 18, you'll open up your control center first, then add the Ping My Watch button to your control center, and after that, you'll simply tap that button to play the pinging sound on your Apple Watch. You can add the button to your main control center page, or if it's like mine and completely full, you can start a second page. And if you have more than one Apple Watch, the sound will play on the watch that's currently selected in the Watch app on your iPhone. And that's how you ping your Apple Watch. Slap the subscribe button on your way out because I really hope to see you in the next tutorial.